Hey guys, it's Mariah here, back with another video. I changed my name again to, I think I'm gonna stick with this name. So to Mariah Kwai Squishies. So I don't have a lot of squishies. You can see my sister playing back there, so not really in there. But
I'm trash.
yeah. Well, I don't know if she's trash. I just said that. So today I'm not really gonna do much. But I'm going to show you guys how. Take my squishies out. I only have 4. How to make your squishies some more slow rising. So I only have 4 squishies. I'll show you them. Combo Panda. He has. Or she has. It looks pretty much like a girl, but a boy. I don't know. I'll call her he. He has a lot of defects. Well, defects on his ear, and the paint came off. So, and if you hear any background music, any background noise, it's probably because my sister's playing Fortnite, and my baby cousin over here playing with the elbows. So, yeah. So, this is Combo Panda. Has pretty much it's defected. And then.
Mariah,
Huh?
can I watch you?
Hold on, wait, you guys. Wait. Okay. It's like dark. Yeah, that's not getting anything. All right, so just. I kind of look like I just woke up because I kind of did. So yeah, Combo Panda has it's defected. Narwhal. Some pretty not that slow rising, but it is defected. But that's really the only defects it has.
I got something
This
to
is my
show
baby cousin.
you.
Her name is Miracle.
I got something to show you. Come here.
Alright, well, I still need to find what this name is. I forgot. So, I'm gonna go. Well, she's trying to show me something, so I'll go get back to you guys. Alright, you guys. Well, I don't know what this name is, but I'll just call it. It's like it came in a smushy mushy cup and cakes. Smells like kind of coffee, but it says that it was hot cocoa. So this one's kind of slow rising. That's it. This one doesn't have any defects. No defects on it. I barely even use this one, honestly. I usually use Combo or the Narwhal because I like Narwhal. So I like anything that has a horn, honestly. So this is, I guess I'll call it Coco the Owl. And Narwhal cookies. And then this one, I call Sweet Oreo because it's like a little bottle or like a cup that has, it's like cookies and cream. It's ice cream and then cookies, and I guess this is another little, it's a horn. But I guess it's like a little cookies. I don't know. And then like I think sprinkles and icing right here in pink. And it's a cute little face. And it comes with a cup. So this is Sweet Oreo. So I'm going to show you guys how, of course, to make your squishies more slow rising. So you're gonna have to put them in for 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna put Combo in for 10 minutes. 10, 5. So let's go downstairs and put them in. So let's go. So we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna go downstairs to put them in the freezer. Yeah, the freezer. Did I say fridge? I don't remember. It's so dark. If I said fridge, I meant freezer. No. So. Wait. Okay, I gotta put them on the table. them in there. And now we have to wait for like 10 minutes. Ow, it hurt. We're gonna wait for like 10 minutes and
What are you doing?
and then right now, since we're gonna wait, while we're waiting,
Oh my God.
I made this window art. They mess up, like they smear. This was supposed to be an apple. This was supposed to be a pear. This was supposed to be a flamingo. And this was supposed to be a chicken. Look at the chicken, you guys. Look at the chicken. And then
Whoa, some bad guy. Oh.
put this one right here.
The partner. Yo, earlier.
Just put this one down here for real quick. Hopefully, Miracle
spraying.
doesn't mess with it.
Alright, good.
And then
Go there.
I have a snake. Rattlesnake. So this is the first one I made. So I think this one's done. I don't know. So I'm gonna use the tiny ruler. Hopefully it's it is done. Oh my God, you guys, look! I'm gonna stick it on the wall like right now.
Maya,
Ah,
can you get this stuff out?
here you go.
What's that?
The snake. All right, well I'm gonna put it on the window. And it's pretty light outside, so you probably won't see it, huh?
Maya?
Yeah.
What? Okay. How did that happen?
That was kind of a bad idea.
Miracle! Miracle just pushed that. No, I didn't.
Miracle, don't. Okay, so I'm putting it on the window right now.
No, I didn't.
Oh my God, you guys, so awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera. It's the curtains. All right, so I'm gonna turn the camera.
What?
Miracle.
It's moving.
Let me say, excuse me. Wait, where'd the ruler go?
What? Miracle?
The ruler. The tiny ruler.
Bro, my partner.
I lost the ruler. I don't know where the ruler is, but I have this bigger one.
Okay, Dave.
Excuse me, Nico.
Freaking
No.
good. What?
This doesn't even work. Yeah, it doesn't work, so I'm just gonna
Yo, tell me what to do.
Oh my God. And then the chicken's coming off next to it. Wow. Oh, the chicken, one of the chicken's eyes fell off. Oops. Oh, this eye's gone. Okay. So I'm just gonna tear it apart. Like that. So I'm just gonna put it on the window.
What?
Okay.
Hey, Joe.
Butter, look at.
Here. Say hi.
Alright, so the chicken's eye fell off. So that one's
Joe, what are you doing?
What?
Alright, so here it is. Here it is, this flamingo.
Huh?
It's breaded. The chicken. He lost an eye. And he looks green a little bit. And the apple, which looks kind of like a heart. A pear, which looks kind of like an apple or a glass bottle. Well, that's my brother. That's what my brother said. And the snake. My favorite one is probably the snake, and then the flamingo, and then the pear, and then the chicken. And then the chicken, and then the pear. The pear, and then the apple.
Your mommy's talking to you.
Alright, so let me go do something real quick because she is not even listening. Okay, so I get back to you. Alright, you guys, I took them out. I have my these right here. They are not. Well, I'm actually trying it out because I saw my other videos,
I hear chest.
and it says to put them in the freezer, not the refrigerator. It doesn't say to put them in the refrigerator. And they put them
You
in the
knocked
freezer
somebody?
for 10.
Were they standing
5
still?
minutes, but it's been
Oh.
10 minutes. I mean, it's been 10 minutes, and I left them in there for 10 minutes. So this should be more slow rising. It kind of rises the same. Oh no, wait, it actually rises even slower, but it's hard to push. Yeah, it rises even slower. It worked, but like they felt like frozen when I took them out of the freezer. They felt frozen, but look, these kind of are even more slow rising than it was. They were kind of not slow rising. They didn't take forever.
No.
So let's see if I know this one wasn't even slow rising. So
Knock them.
kind of worked.
One AR bullet.
So it kind of worked. I thought it was gonna be a fail when like I took it out because it felt frozen, like it can't move at all. But it actually kind of works. Combo's actually kind of squishy. So that actually worked. I can't believe it did. But I thought it was not gonna work. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on my notifications. And I told you guys that I would also do this in a video. I will do it in a separate video, like showing you guys how I make it and how you do it. And yeah, so I will be showing you guys that, but not today, probably tomorrow or something. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow, because I post every day. Probably until I run out of ideas. That's why I think I should post every day, but then if I run out of ideas because I post every day, then that would be very bad. I don't know.
What?
And I should do more
Oh,
challenges.
I was a hit, bro. I knocked your partner.
I should do challenges. So, but yeah. So I am super happy that these actually worked. I didn't know they were actually gonna work, but they actually did. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on my, well, you don't have to comment. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on my notifications so you can get notified every time I post my new videos. And if you want to get a shout out, even though I haven't did any shout outs for anybody yet, but if you want to get a shout out in my next video, then comment hashtag squishies club or something today. Hashtag squishies club. Hashtag I can't even say hashtag. Hashtag squishies club. So, no, hashtag kawaii club. Some other kawaii squishies people are doing that. So hashtag kawaii club. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and turn on my notifications and like this video. Peace. See you guys tomorrow.